Good morning traders and welcome to the Daily Call. Today Thursday, May 7. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Alright, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. From New Zealand, we saw the employment change number come in at 0.7%, whilst the unemployment rate was at 4.2%. Both of those were better than the forecast, and the New Zealand dollar sold off harder than our own Aussie dollar, even though that labour market numbers were not terrible. New Zealand jobs actually did gain against an expectation of decline, along with a smaller than expected increase in the unemployment rate to that 4.2%. The Kiwi dollar is now currently trading at 0.660 cents. From the US, we had the ADP non-farm employment change number. That came in at minus 20.2 million jobs compared to the 20.5 million forecasted. US companies essentially cut, as I've just said, 20 million odd jobs for the month of April. Although this was better than the forecast, the US yen was down for the day, now trading at 106. Non-farm payroll numbers, which are due out tomorrow, are expected to fall by around about 21 million, but the outcome could be much worse because non-farm payrolls also includes government jobs, which the private sector report does not. So there you have it. That's all that happened yesterday. Let's move along and let's have a look at our chart of the day this morning. We are looking at the Euro USD on a daily timescale. As you can see from my chart here, we found some kind of a possible support level, which I'm highlighting for us down here. Now, again, the market hasn't settled into its normal rhythm as yet, but what I'm interested in is to see whether we can produce price action reversal on that support or possible support line. If we can, then I will be happy to essentially attempt to take a trade in this direction. So we're looking for an inside candle, engulfing candle, any of the price action reversal patterns that we know. Let's see if we can actually produce it here and we can move forward. And then it will trigger for us a trade setup. So there you have it. This morning, Euro USD daily timescale is our chart of the day. Alright, what's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have this morning at 11:30 locally, our trade balance numbers are due. Then at 1 o'clock this afternoon from New Zealand, we have the inflation expectation numbers due. And at 4 o'clock from London, we have the interest rate decision from the UK, monetary policy statement and summary, and of course the official bank rate votes for that decision. That all happens at 4 o'clock. Then finally at 10:30 this evening from the US, we have unemployment claims, and that pretty much wraps up the data that is due out for us today. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.